his hand over the sea, and the Lord caused the sea to go back by a strong east wind. He said, all night, and they made the sea dry land, and the waters were divided. Listen, let me tell you a little bit. Let me give you a little history about the arm. Tell you a little bit about the hand. Whenever God starts dealing with you about stretching forth, I want to give you some definitions. Is that okay? Amen. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the definitions of stretch. When you get ready to define the word stretch means to lengthen, widen, or distend. Amen. It means to enlarge, to reach, to expand one's capacity. Extend to its full length. In other words, I want you to fulfill a greater function now. It means to go beyond your norm, be elastic. Deacon, can I use one of your rubber bands? Amen. I saw you across the room. I saw the rubber bands right there on your arm. Oh, I got you. I got it right here. Okay. Got you right here. Do you know God made us just like a rubber band? Amen. With the capacity to expand. When God gets ready to increase your capacity, it's going to require you to do something you ain't never did before. So many times we like to say, God, I want you to move and send an outpour like we've never seen before. Then he said, well, you do something you ain't never did. You want to see me do something I ain't never did? I want to see you stretch and do something you ain't never did. Moses was used to, he had got to Pharaoh, and God was using his hands in various dimensions, right? So he got there and he began to stretch out his hand over the water and it turned to blood. Then he began to stretch out his hand and he began to see the different signs happen as he began to use that rod God gave him. The enemy threw down his serpents, right? They threw down he threw down his rod, it turned to a serpent. Then the enemy, the witches and stuff, threw theirs down and they turned to serpents. But what you don't understand is God's serpent consumed the serpents of the witches. So Moses wasn't a stranger. He wasn't an amateur. He wasn't a novice when it came to using that rod. But God was saying, you finna go to the next level, Moses. And in order to go to the next level, I'm going to have to stretch you. So let's see what you do when you get before the Red Sea.